Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Oh my gosh, I feel like it's been so long. I'm finally filming again. It was a little bit of a delay because I was planning for my next video to be my winter mystery boxes. Unfortunately, guys, they still haven't arrived. Yes, it has been almost 2 months since I ordered them and they didn't arrive. I ended up emailing the company requesting a refund and just to cancel the order, but I haven't yet heard anything, which honestly is a little bit worrisome. How have you guys been experiencing these boxes? Am I the only person that this happened to? I'm honestly heartbroken. I was so excited. I know how much you guys love these unboxings. And aside from that, I was so excited to have all those exclusive items. I'm really upset about it, but we are gonna move on. So I did receive 2 Supreme mystery boxes. One I already put up that you guys can watch if you're interested. I feel like that was such a lucky box. I feel like my box was more lucky than most of the boxes I saw. Definitely, if you're interested in that, take a watch. I'm gonna link that up here for you. One of the Supreme mystery boxes came. I filmed an unboxing. Now a second one has come. I haven't touched it yet because I wanted to do the unboxing with all of them. But now we know we're not gonna be getting those boxes, so we're gonna move right along. What I thought instead now, my Beautylish lucky bag, the Jeffree Star Beautylish lucky bag, arrived. So I thought, why don't I do an unboxing of both of these boxes? Now I know that the Supreme box is about $100 more than the Beautylish box, but that way you guys can get a comparison of which box is more worth it, which is more exciting, which is more worth the value for you. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of one Jeffree Star Supreme Winter Mystery Box, as well as the Beautylish Lucky Bag for 2021, the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Edition. And then we're gonna compare the two and see which is more exciting, which is more worth it. So if you'd like to get into that with me, then please keep watching. By the way, guys, if you're curious about this glam I'm wearing today, I will be posting a tutorial. This is my Valentine's Day glam. I always do a tutorial for you guys for Valentine's Day. I didn't want to skip out on it this year, even though Valentine's is a little bit more depressing because of all the stuff going on. So definitely make sure you tune in. And of course, guys, don't forget that tomorrow I'm going to be announcing the winner of my giant Jeffree Star Cosmetics giveaway. This time I've done the biggest giveaway I've ever done yet. You are going to trip out. You will not be able to handle what's in store in that giveaway. Make sure you tune in tomorrow. That's going to be up tomorrow in the afternoon. I will give you details about the time closer to, so definitely follow me on my socials if you don't already. And now let's jump right into opening these boxes. Guys, let's get started. I can't wait anymore. I've been sitting with the Supreme mystery box just waiting for the rest of them to arrive. My heart's broken that they didn't, but forget it. Let's jump right in. Okay. Oh, okay. So far this box is different from the one that I got before. We have, oh my God, this is so pretty. We have the marble Jeffree Star Cosmetics makeup bag. It's absolutely beautiful. It's nice and shiny to the touch. It's so pretty. Can I put this in a giveaway? I don't think I can. I've said that the last time I opened all these boxes. I don't think I can put this in the giveaway, guys. This is so pretty. I am literally in love. Okay, let's see what else. No. Oh my goodness. Now I know a bunch of people did get this. I didn't though. I got the pink one. I am so happy that I have both colors. Yes, I am in love with this periwinkle blue. Can I tell you, I live in the pink sweater. It is so comfortable. It is so perfect. The only wish that I had was that it was in a medium instead of a small. And guess what size this is? It's medium. I am gonna live in this freaking sweater. I love this baby blue. I love it. Let's see what else we got. Okay, yes, queen. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen that I've recently been ranting and raving about this. I have been sleeping on this, guys. This is a beautiful liquid lipstick bundle. As you can see, it's so stunning. There are some beautiful shades in here. I'm gonna throw up a picture of the swatches so you can see. Absolutely beautiful. If you're into pinks and reds, this is the perfect lip bundle for you. There are several lip bundles. Now, I'm trying to collect them all. I'm still missing 2 of the nudes, but I love this. Out of all of the lip bundles, somebody actually requested for me to rank it. Out of all of the lip bundles, the Love Me Not lip bundle is my absolute favorite. It's so stunning. Wow, love. This was in my original box though, so this is a duplicate, so this could be going in a giveaway. I don't know. You'll have to tune in tomorrow to see. Let's see what we got next. Ooh, we have, oh no. Okay, we have a sarcophagus skin frost, but I saw this happen to so many people that they opened it. Okay guys, I'm not even gonna open this. I don't know if you can see it. Well, that was disappointing. Really pretty color though. I did also get it in my other box, so I'm not that upset, but I really wanted to include it in the giveaway and keep one of them, but now who knows what I'm gonna do. And the next item in the box is the gloss. This is in shade Pretzel Drip. This is absolutely stunning. It's sparkly realness. I love the packaging. It's a super pretty gloss. If you guys are familiar with Jeffree Star Cosmetics glosses, you already know about the amazing formula. The packaging is on point and I really love this shade. I did luckily get a completely different shade in my other box, so this is really exciting. The next item is the Jeffree Star Magic Star Translucent Setting Powder. This seems to be the one that is not luminous. This is an amazing setting powder, guys. I love this stuff. I use it religiously. I really actually prefer the luminous one. I also have this one as well. The formulas are very similar. They smell like cotton candy, but the luminous I can just put all over my face and it just gives me this beautiful glow. I love it. Whereas this one is a lot more matte. So it really depends on what you like, but this is absolutely beautiful. And the next item in the box, the one I'm really waiting for, let's see what palette we got, guys. Oh, we got the cremated palette. If you watched my original video, you know I got the Jawbreaker palette in the other box, so I'm really happy to have this guy. It is a cool tone lover's dream, and I love this. I am not going to unpackage it because this probably will be going in a giveaway, but if you've seen the cremated palette, you know how absolutely beautiful it is. All right, the next two items, we have a velour lip scrub. This is in Strawberry Gum. This was also in the other box, and then we have a little mini ornament here, which was so cute. I decorated my trees in this year, and this was also in the other box. And the final item in the box, we have, bam, oh yes, the black marble mirror. Let me just open this for you guys. So pretty, guys. I love this mirror. It came with the cremated collection, of course. It's absolutely stunning. I love the marble aesthetic he did with that whole collection. Beautiful. All right, now that's it for the Supreme Mystery Box. I tallied all of that. That is a total of $301 of value. It did cost $175 American. The Beautylish box, keep in mind, was $75 American. I'm really curious to see what we got inside, so let's go. Okay, cute. It comes with this little tag thing. It says lucky bags, blah, 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 whatever. Let's get to the good stuff. Oh, okay. All right, guys, we have kind of bummed, kind of not. We have the cremated palette, which we just got in our Supreme Mystery Box, but that is okay because I know there are lots of subscribers that absolutely love this palette, and I know you're gonna wanna get your hands on it if you don't have it already. So this is perfect for a giveaway. The next item is this Supreme Frost in Frozen Peach. I don't have this color. The Supreme Frost, now while they're a little bit too sparkly on the face for me, they are beautiful as eyeshadow toppers. They're gonna give you this type of vibe here. This isn't actually what I'm wearing today, but it's gonna give you a vibe like this, like a sparkly, bejeweled moment. I'm so happy that I got a color that I don't already have. This is absolutely stunning. All right, the next item. Okay. Okay, I wasn't really expecting this. This is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick holder. It says Jeffree Star Cosmetics here. My lights might not let you see that, but this is really pretty. I am always getting more velour liquid lipsticks, so I don't necessarily mind having it. I do already have one though. I was kind of expecting to get something a little bit different, but that's okay. All right, the next item in the box is a liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Ryland. This was from the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star collection. They did a little collab, as we all know. Let me take a quick, I have actually never even had any liquid lipstick from this collection, so I'm really curious to see the color. Oh, okay. This is really, really interesting. It is like a bright baby pink. I would really prefer this more as an eyeshadow, to be honest. Luckily, as we know with the velour liquid lipsticks, we can use these on the eye because they're completely eye safe. So that is great to keep in mind. It's a really interesting color though. Super pretty. For people who are into frosted lips, like you would die for this shade. It's not really my jam, but people who are into that, So the next item is, bam, another The Gloss. This time we got shade Her Glossiness. I have never had that in my entire life. I'm really curious to see if it's sparkly or not. All right. We have a really, really bronzy color here. Let me just do a quick swatch. Ooh, I don't know if you guys can see, but we have a really beautiful bronze color. This will look so stunning on top of a nude liquid lip. I don't know, should I keep it? Should I give it away? Leave it in the comments. What do you think I should do? I really like this color. I don't have it. It's so pretty actually. Oh, I don't know what to do. And the last item in the box is a velour lip scrub. This was from the Shane Dawson collection and it's in the flavor root beer. I love these guys. If you're curious and you haven't tried them yet, you are going to want to. It's winter right now. I don't know about you guys. My lips always get so chapped in the winter. This really, really helps. I love all of the flavors I've tried so far. Root beer isn't necessarily one of my favorites, but I love the formula of this. There's some essential oils in here that you can really tell help moisturize your lips. Stunning. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for these boxes. Now, personally, while the Jeffree Star Winter Supreme Mystery Box was $100 more, I definitely enjoyed those items more. Even though the palettes were the same in both, I definitely liked that we were getting so many more items. Again, it was $100 more, so obviously you were gonna get more. I would have loved to compare this box to the similar Winter Mystery Box, but because it didn't come, I did the best I could. I personally prefer, obviously, the Supreme Winter Mystery Box. I love the sweater. I love the items I got in there. I'm a little annoyed that I got cremated in both, but again, that's just more to give away for you guys. Right now, in terms of the value of the boxes, we get a full $300 value with the Winter Supreme Mystery Box, and with the other box, we got a full value of $168. Now, keep in mind that box was $75 and we got $168 worth, so technically that is the better deal, but was it as enjoyable is the question. And no, it wasn't. Supreme Winter Mystery Box that came out to being worth $301. I really liked the items in there. The sweater really took it there for me. So personally, if I was deciding between the two, I would definitely go for the Winter Mystery Box over the Beautylish Lucky Bag. Now keep in mind, there is an extra large Lucky Bag, but voila, I live in Canada, so they do not ship that here. I don't know how good that Lucky Bag is. I couldn't vouch for the extra large one. It might be more on par with what we're getting here. I am super curious, did you guys get one of those extra large Beautylish Jeffree Star Lucky Bags? If you did, what kind of items were in there? How much better was it than this box? I'm so curious. Now, which box, guys, would you personally pick? Would you get the Supreme Winter Mystery Box or would you go for the Beautylish Lucky Bag? I obviously would go for the Supreme, but I'm so curious to know what you guys think. That's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you haven't already, give this video a like. Leave me a comment down below. What did you think of the comparison between these boxes? Which box do you personally like more? Which one would you gravitate towards? Which box were you like, oh, that wasn't that great? For me, I didn't really like the Beautylish one. I know it was similar in both. I don't know, this other box was just way more exciting to me. So definitely leave me a comment and let me know all of your thoughts. And please, guys, if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed. It really helps me out when you guys subscribe. And make sure you tune in tomorrow, guys. We're finally doing the reveal of my giant Jeffree Star Cosmetics giveaway. As you guys know, I've been running this giveaway on my channel here. It's my biggest giveaway I've ever done yet. So make sure you guys give this video a like, leave a comment, make your name be known. I'm picking that winner tonight. You're not gonna wanna miss what the winner has won. Please tune in tomorrow to find out if it was you. I'm so excited, I can hardly wait. That's pretty much it. I will catch you on the next video. Bye. Thank you.